Hello viewers, in this video we will look for some if function. This video is going to be very useful, so I would like to request you please watch this video till end for better understanding. Before going on topic, I would like to request you please subscribe this channel and press bell icon. You can see I have a database with employees and their related sales. These employees are working with the specific company and they are salesmen. Before moving to some if function, let me repeat sum function is equal to sum, and then you have to select range. So sum function will add all these values and will give you the sum of all values. You can see this is sum function. There is also one other way to sum all these values, that is subtotal. Let me apply formula for subtotal is equal to subtotal, and then you can see at 9 number sum. You can select this 9 number and then comma and range and then tab. You can see it is giving us the same value, subtotal and sum. What is the benefit of subtotal? Let me show you. Just apply filter here. Now I need to know the sales by Ahmad. Just select Ahmad. You can see sum is not changing, but subtotal is changing. Subtotal is giving me the sum of filtered cell. Okay. Now let me move to Johnson. You can see now it is giving me the total of Johnson. So this is the difference between sum and subtotal. Let me show you some if function. As I already told you that I have a database of employee and sales. This database is very small, but in actual it may be on thousands lines. Okay, but out of these 1000 lines I need to know the sum of a specific employee or specific criteria. Okay, my criteria is I need total sales of Mr. Wazim. Okay, what I have to do then? From this database, I need the sum of only Wazim. So what I have to do? In that case, I have to use sum if formula. Sum if. After sum if, you can see range is coming. So where this Wazim is available, so it is available in this range. Okay, select this range, and then what? Criteria. What is the criteria? This Wazim is my criteria. Okay, select this Wazim, and then the sum range. You can see the formula is visible. Range, criteria, and sum range. What is my sum range? My sum range is this column E. Okay, after selecting all these parameters, select tab. Okay, so after applying this sum if function, you can see it is giving me the total sales of Mr. Wazim. If I apply a filter on Mr. Wazim, you can see total sales are 29,000, and in sum if it is also 29,000. But this is only one name. What if you need to know the summary of all the employees, all the salesmen? In that case, what you have to do, let me show you. Just select all these names and copy in any sheet, any empty sheet. Select all and then come in data and come here on this icon. This is to remove all the duplicates. I have removed all the duplicates. So these 5 are unique employees. So just copy them and come here and copy here 5 employees. Now apply formula against all. Now I want to see total sales from Johnson. Okay, sum if and then range. What is the range? Range, you know, this column D, and then what is the criteria? Criteria is Johnson. Criteria is Johnson, and then sum range. Sum range is this column D. Okay, you can see it is showing me total sales of Johnson. Now Sharma is equal to sum if and then range again. Range is this one, and then criteria is Sharma, and then what is the sum range? Sum range is column E. Range, sorry, is equal to sum if range is this, and then Michael is criteria, and sum range is this, and then Wasim. Sum if range is this, and then criteria is this, Wasim, and then sum range is this. You can see I have a summary of all the employees from this long database. But now instead putting formula against all the names, what I can do, I can put formula in first cell and then I can drag it down. Let me show you. Put formula in first cell, sum if range, then criteria is this, and then sum range is column E. From first cell you can drag the formula down. You can see. Now I can show you the total of all these values. Sum, you can see 165,112.63. So this is exactly matching with sum of this database. This is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.